boys and girls, it's Miss Adler again. We're going to go ahead and start our math lesson today, and today we're going to begin with another video. And remember, Miss Adler didn't write this song, she doesn't own the rights to this song, and this is not her video. But we're going to watch it. You may want to get up and dance along with it and count with them. Sorry. Hold on, Miss Adler's got to get it to work first.
The Singing Walrus.
Counting from 1 to 10.
Boys and girls, I hope that you enjoyed that little video about counting. And if you remember yesterday's story when we read the 10 Little Ladybugs, that book counted, it started at 10 and went to 1, just like in the last part of that song. All right, I need you to take out your math packet, and I need for you to try and find the sheet of paper that looks just like this. You're going to see some apples on it that have numbers, but you're also going to see some apples, and those kind of look like there are seeds in there. Now we're going to end up counting those, so if you'll go ahead and get that, put it in front of you and get your box of crayons. And we are going to see about this sheet. All right, everybody got their sheet, and we're going to go ahead and get started. All right, so today our directions are, we're going to look at the number, and we're going to match that to the apple that has that amount of seeds in it. So we're going to see the numbers right here on the left-hand side, and we're going to see the seeds over here on the right-hand side. All right, here we go. And we're going to use different colors so that we can make sure that we don't do a line to the same one twice. All right, so here we go. How about if we start with red? I know that there are red apples, but there are also green and yellow ones too. So get your red, and we're going to look at the very first number. And do you remember what this number is? It's the number 3. Remember we said we remember that because it has a little curve and a little curve. 3. So we've got to find the apple over here that has 3 seeds. All right, let Miss Abby get her red. All right, so here's my 3. And I'm going to start right up here because that might be the easiest thing so we don't get lost and confused. Here we go. So let's count the seeds. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that's too many. So we don't want to draw a line to that one. All right, let's go down to the next one. And we're looking for 3. 1, 2. Yeah, I don't think that's enough either. All right, let's count the next one. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, that's way too many. All right, next apple. Here we go. How many seeds is that? Ooh, that one looks pretty easy, right? You're right. Just 1 seed. All right, this last apple has to be it. Let's count it and see. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. That's the one. So we're going to take our red crayon, and from this number 3 apple all the way down here, we're going to make a line to match my number 3 and my 3 seeds. All right, hope you have that one done. We're going to move on to the next one. How about, let's just stick with green, okay? We know that we have red apples. Now we're going to have a green apple. This time, we have the number 5. Remember we said that's a little line, and a little curve. 5. And remember what I said about 5? 5 was a whole handful. All right, so hope you found your green, because that's what we're going to use. And we're going to find 5 seeds. Here's my 5 apple. And you know what, let's go back up to the top and just start again so we don't get lost or confused. All right, remember we're looking for 5. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's not a whole handful, is it? So that's probably not it. Next apple, ready to count with me? Here we go. 1, 2. No, not a handful either. So that's not the one either. Here we go. Next one. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think that's the apple, boys and girls. 5. So green crayon from this green apple all the way to this apple with 5 seeds. All right, everybody got that one? All right, let's go with yellow. Can you be finding your yellow, please? So we're going to do yellow. And this time, we need to find 4. Now, therefore is a little bit different than the 4 that we like to write. But this is my 4. Little line, big line, 4. So we need to find 4 seeds. We're going to go back up to this top and start just so we don't get confused, okay? Here we go. We're going to do yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boys and girls, I think that one was pretty easy. That's the 4 that we're looking for. So take that yellow crayon from this 4 all the way up to the top to the 4 seeds. 4. All right, put that away. Go ahead and take out your purple and be ready with your purple. My next number is a 2. It's like a curve, and then it pushes back a 2. All right, so we're going to use purple. This is your purple, in case you know. Purple, okay? Here we go. again because we've already used it. So we're going to go to that next apple right under it. So here we go. Let's count. 1, 2. We got lucky again, boys and girls. The very first apple we counted. So here we go. Purple from this number 2 all the way up here to the 2 seeds. 2. Alright, put that purple away and let's take out our, we're going to be silly, blue. We know apples aren't blue. So get your blue. And our last one is going to be blue. Do you know what number that one is? That one is the one that's probably the easiest to recognize. You guessed it, 1. And I bet there's just one apple left, and it probably has that one seed in it. We've already drawn a line to that one, to that one, and to that one, but I don't see a line going to this one. How many seeds are in that apple? You're right, it's just one seed, and that's the one we're looking for. So take your blue crayon, and from this number, 1 apple, to the apple with 1 seed, make a line. All right, for our lesson today, boys and girls, we again looked at, learned, and counted to 5. We matched our number to that many seeds. And this time it wasn't in order, was it? It wasn't at all. All right, I want you to keep counting around that house. Have somebody help you count. Maybe you can make groups. Use pieces of cereal or chips and make some groups with them. That's our lesson today, and I will see you next time. Bye, boys and girls.